Looking for the most versatile video player on Mac? Built-in software can get you started, but after that, you may want to dive into some other useful apps to get your workflow up to speed. This video goes over the default options as well as additional apps on SetApp that can push your projects even further. Let's get started. You may just need clean cuts, titles, and a simple editing timeline. Mac's built-in software, iMovie, may be enough for you to start learning how to edit on Mac without getting lost in extra panels or paid subscriptions. However, you're eventually going to need more substantial tools. Filmage Editor on SetApp is a great place to start editing like a pro. It handles screen recording and timeline editing of videos with multiple tracks, along with options for effects and frame-by-frame edits. Drag and drop videos and audio files or record straight from the camera to create a timeline and get started. iShowU is another video player, one that specializes in organizing and editing screen recordings. The app gives you the option to capture multiple sources from the entire screen, an individual application, or even audio only. This is a great application for recording team meetings or creating tutorial videos. You can even screen capture and edit recordings from a connected iPhone. Okay, but let's say you have your videos ready. What's next? If you've ever noticed that your videos need some color work, Camera Bag Pro on SetApp comes with hundreds of color presets and filters to make your work look professional. In addition to normal settings like crop and contrast, Camera Bag Pro also includes an AI upscaler and an AI denoise filter. From the app, click Load in the center, find your video or photo, and choose the effect you want to work with from the right sidebar. On macOS Tahoe, you can use Spotlight's built-in shortcuts to get around your video editing workflow much faster. Bring up Spotlight by pressing Command plus space. Command plus space plus 1 will take you to your apps so you can switch between video editors or tools in a snap. If these apps and tips help you find better video editing software for Mac, that means we've done our job. Be sure to subscribe for more guides on Mac-first apps and features, and visit SetApp for hundreds of app picks, including your new favorite video editing tools.